Welcome to Go Lesson 18, Embedding. Embedding lets you include one struct inside another, promoting its fields and methods. This is how Go achieves composition over inheritance. You will learn promoted fields, method overriding, and multiple embedding. Let's start with Embedding Basics. Embedding means including a struct without giving it a field name. The embedded structs fields become part of the outer struct. Animal is our base struct with name and age fields. Dog embeds animal by just writing animal with no field name. This is different from a regular field. It is an anonymous field. Cat also embeds animal, adding its own indoor field. When creating a dog, we initialize the embedded animal separately. Promoted fields are accessed directly. Dog.name instead of dog.animal.name. This is the key benefit of embedding: cleaner syntax. You can still access through the embedded struct if needed. Cat works the same way. All animal fields are promoted. You can modify promoted fields directly too. Now let's see how methods work with embedding. Methods are promoted just like fields. You can also override them by defining the same method on the outer struct. Animal has speak and sleep methods. Dog embeds animal and overrides speak. Dog also adds a new fetch method that animal does not have. Cat overrides speak with its own implementation. Sleep is promoted from animal. Speak uses dog's override. Fetch is dog's own. You can call the original method through the embedded struct. Dog.animal.speak calls animal's version directly. Cat inherits sleep from animal, but uses its own speak. This is how Go does polymorphism without class hierarchies. Now let's explore multiple embedding. A struct can embed multiple other structs. All their fields and methods get promoted. Address has location fields and a full address method. Contact info has email and phone with a send email method. Person embeds both address and contact info. All fields from both structs are promoted to person. Employee embeds person. This is nested embedding. Fields are promoted through multiple levels. Creating a person requires initializing both embedded structs. All fields are directly accessible. City comes from address, email from contact info. Methods are also promoted. Full address and send email work directly. Employee can access City, which is 2 levels deep. Fields flow through person to employee automatically. Finally, Let's see how embedding works with interfaces. Embedded types can satisfy interfaces. You can also embed interfaces in structs. Speaker is a simple interface with one method. Animal has a speak method that satisfies speaker. Dog embeds animal and overrides speak. Cat also embeds animal with its own speak. Make noise accepts any speaker. Both dog and cat qualify. Robot embeds the speaker interface itself. This means robot can hold any speaker implementation. Dog and cat both satisfy speaker through their speak methods. We can put different types in a slice of speakers. Robot embeds speaker, so we can assign any speaker to it. We can swap the embedded speaker at runtime. This flexibility is why Go favors composition over inheritance. Let's recap embedding in Go. Embedding promotes fields and methods to the outer struct. Override methods by defining them on the outer type. Go uses composition instead of inheritance for flexibility. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we cover error handling in Go. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.